Hello friends, in today's video, we are diving into a powerful Excel feature that can take your data analysis to the next level, data tables. Specially, we will explore how you can use data tables for what-if analysis, a crucial tool for decision making and forecasting. Whether you are trying to predict sales, calculate loan payments, or estimate future profits, what-if analysis can help you make informed decisions. Let's start by setting up one variable data table. Suppose you have a formula that calculates the monthly payment on a loan and you want to see how different interest rates affect that payment. First, you will create a table with the different interest rates you want to test. Then, you link that table to your formula and Excel will do the rest. First of all, we have to find out the monthly payment by using PMT formula. Is equal to PMT. Select rate of interest, which is yearly, so divided by 12. Then NPER, that means loan term. Select the cell. Loan term is in years, so we have to convert to months. That's why multiply by 12. At last, PV means loan amount. Close the bracket and hit enter. Select the cell for reference. So we have not to repeat the formula. Then select the range that includes the interest rates and the adjacent cells where you want the payment results to appear. Go to the data tab and click on what if analysis. Then data table. In the data table dialog box, here we want the result in a column. So input the cell reference for the interest rate in the column inputs cell field. This should be the cell where your original interest rate is. In our example, it's C5. Leave the row input cell blank as you are only varying one variable. Click OK to generate the table. Excel will automatically calculate the monthly payment for each interest rate in the table. This table allows you to easily compare how different interest rates impact the monthly payment on your loan. This simple yet powerful tool can save you a lot of time and effort in your analysis. Now let's take it a step further with the two-variable data table. Imagine you want to see how both interest rates and loan terms affect your monthly payments. Here in this example, we have different rate of interest and loan terms. Select the cell for reference and use PMT formula also here. Select the range of cells. Go to the data tab and click on what if analysis, then data table. In the data table dialog box, in the row input cell, select loan term and column input cell, select interest rate. Click OK. With just a few clicks, Excel generates a grid of results showing you the monthly payment for every combination of interest rate and loan term. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.